name is Sierra, the CEO and founder of Elite Precision Consulting. We're the ones that have put this great summit together to help serve those who are essentially all over the world in healthcare, making an impact, whether on the clinical side or technical side. So without further ado, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Ahmad, and I am going to pass it over to him, and he can share everything that he's doing over there. So I'm going to make him the host, and he can unmute himself when he's ready. Thank you so much, you guys, and thank you so much, Ahmad, as well.
Thank you very much, Sarah, for having us today. We're really excited to talk about what we do exactly in the Middle East, in the UAE. So basically, Klaim is a FinTech company. We specialize in healthcare financing. So what we do is we know that RCM has been there for quite some time. So we came up with an innovative idea. So what we basically do is that we come up with an idea of converting all these healthcare, all these insurance patients to a cash patients. And how do we do that? We make sure that within 24 hours, whenever the claims have been submitted to the insurance companies, what we do is we make sure that we pay these healthcare providers within 24 hours. Now, unfortunately, this part of the world, a lot of healthcare providers are being paid after 90 days, some of them even getting paid in 120 days. And what we do is we make sure that these healthcare providers, especially the SMEs, where they don't have access to the big financial institutions, to the bank, because they're not the biggest target or a bigger target for the bank. So they are the one, SMEs, small healthcare providers, they suffer because of cash flow issues, and then eventually they have to compromise on the quality care that we all receive. So this is where our focus is, and we have been doing it over 2 years now. We are operational here in the UAE, Saudi, Oman, and now the next step is US, of course. So yeah, so that's basically the innovation and that we're doing, and we're helping this healthcare provider in the MENA region, trying to make sure that all these people, so whenever we go to these hospitals and clinics and we see that they have a huge number of RCM team sitting there and just doing coding and submitting these claims to the insurance company, the first question we always ask them is that, why do you need like this army of people actually, right? And they're like, okay, basically to submit the claims. So yeah, just to get paid, you need the whole entire team, right? So if you look at the administrative burden in the US, it's $256 billion annually that costs healthcare providers to because of the administrative burden. So if you look at the rejected claims, that costs these healthcare providers revenue loss, it's about $300 billion. So this is what basically we're trying to say. Okay, things have been done in the traditional way, yeah, just to get paid. But now what we do is, especially in our case, we make sure that we take everything. We have the technology that does like 99% of automation is in place. So we go to the healthcare providers, we say, look, you don't have to do this admin stuff. You don't have to hire a bunch of people to do the job for you. All you need is money. We will pay you upfront for all these claims, and we'll deal with the rest. So that's basically the concept that we innovated. We're just 2 years old startup, and we're solving this with technology and financing.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I love the part that you said, I don't love the part, but it's sad to hear how many providers and how much money is being lost. Our providers are doing so much work serving patients and helping them, and then yet they have challenges when they're needing to get paid and reimbursed and pay out their team and scale and things like that. So I love that you guys have a great solution where it essentially resolves that problem altogether. Being paid within 24 hours, even 48 hours is amazing, because who wants to wait 3 weeks, 4 weeks, even up to sometimes 6 months for some of those more advanced complex claims. So I think it's a great solution. I'm very grateful that you've been able to share that with us and kind of explain a little bit more about what you guys have done out there successfully and how you can further scale that into the States and maybe even other markets. So thank you so much for sharing that. When you guys go to our website and you click on the speaker, you'll be able to connect directly to him. It will go directly to his website. If you have any questions for him, you can click there, connect directly, or reach out to us and we will share his contact information for you and with you so that you're able to learn a little bit more about this great product that has already taken over. He's being very modest. They actually have won many awards for their product and being one of the fastest startup FinTech companies in his area. Again, he's just great, just very great software, great concept, and very much needed, especially for our U.S. executives and physicians in the States. So thank you so much for sharing that. And again, if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and click on Elite Precision Consulting. You can click on his face or his name, and then it will direct you to his page. You can also send us a message if you want to get in contact with him and understand how it will maybe even serve maybe what you're doing. Maybe you're not representing a US company, maybe you're in another area, but you're also having challenges with your reimbursement. You're not getting paid timely. I know one of our clients, even in Western Africa, is having this problem that they're quite honestly waiting 3 or 4 months before they get a payment, even though they, as a physician, have done all the work, served the patient very well, gave them great quality care, but yet they haven't been paid out by the insurance companies yet. So if you're a clinician, you definitely want to tap into this product and learn more about it and understand how you can integrate that seamlessly into your process and your system so that you do not have to worry about not getting paid or waiting too long to get paid. So thank you so much for sharing that with us.